This 6-year-old girl began suffering from an infection in her brain last year. She is now getting her physical rehab treatment due to paralysis. However, her illness is difficult to treat because the damaged brain cells are hardly to be restored.
뇌신경세포가 죽게 되면 그걸 재생시킬 수 있는 방법이 없습니다. 그래서 줄기세포 얘기가 나오고 난 다음부터 꾸준히 이제 신경세포 이식에 대해서 여러 가지 연구가 진행이 되고 있고요.
The little patient now needs a brain cell therapy, transplanting healthy brain cells into a diseased brain. A difficult problem in the therapy was technology to grow the cells in quantity, and a South Korean team of researchers has developed a brain cell culture system. The cells cultured in the new system have been transplanted into mice with stroke-damaged brains. The research team found that the cells show higher activities along with a longer survival time than those grown in a conventional culture medium. The new system, just like an incubator, is capable of growing brain cells in a safe and effective manner.
뇌 조직에도 굉장히 다양한 부위가 있고 또 다른 유형의 신경세포들이 있기 때문에 조금 더 뇌 조직 특이적인, 부위 특이적인 그런 배양 플랫폼을 만들어서 좀 더 특화된 신경세포 타입으로 저희가 분화시켜서 치료용 세포로 만드는 연구들을.
There has been much attention towards the results of this study as they are expected to make a breakthrough in a complete cure of brain diseases.